No, this is not lumpia. This is the best pulutan ever you can imagine. And it's easy to make, and it's a flavor from the world, sharing it to the Philippines. Samahan niyo ako, let's find out. Hello, warm greetings to you, my friends. Kuya niyo to. Your Kuya and Uncle here. Romelo, and special greetings to our friends today here in America. Good afternoon. Y también nuestros amigos en Mexico. A Panchito. Y Mia. Saludos. Desde Florida. Today, pumunta kami sa Costco. Ang dami namin pinamili. Oh, imagine to, ang mura-mura. Very cheap here. And everything is available in bulk or in wholesale prices or wholesale sizes. But what we're cooking today is an appetizer which I promised to prepare for my auntie and my uncle. Ibida natin ang pagkain, di ba? Natin sa Pilipinas, dito sa Amerika. Join me, aspiring an official ambassador of food to the world. Philippine ambassador of food. Yeah, kaya if you're enjoying this, don't forget to share, subscribe, and watch. Kaya, seriously now, what are we going to prepare? Mozzarella Lumpia or Taquito de Mozzarella. It's easy. Anong mga ingredients natin? Just mozzarella. Hindi yung may tubig, not by the type without the water. And lumpia wrapper. Of course, kailangan nyo ng frying oil at sauce of your choice. I recommend the Thai chili sauce. Let's start. Let's start with the preparation. It's easy. We just have to slice this into strips or trozos. If you're Mexican, just call it trozos. But and then we'll just wrap it in lumpia wrapper. Yeah. If you're in the US or in Europe, you can buy this at your Asian store. Yeah. Next time we'll make lumpia wrapper from scratch. But that will be episode 2. We'll be doing that in Holland. Yeah. So let's start. I love the color of my chopping board. It contrasts my counter here. Everything's big here in the US, but I'll be preparing small mozzarella sticks, diba? Finger food, and it will be enjoying it with wine. I have here Cabernet Sauvignon. It's from, I can't read it. Yeah, it's from California. Of course, we have to patronize the local wines here in the US, diba? If you're watching from the Philippines, by the way, if you are, let's say, if you're watching from the Philippines, there can be Carlo Rossi's, the cheapest wine available there. Mayroon pa yan sa amin, sa Alaminos, and they all come from California. Sa Europe, mas mura. They're from South Africa, Chile, and mostly. As sa Spain, Italy, that's our advantage of being in the center of Europe. Mura doon talaga. Dito mura ang pagkain. Pero sa amin sa Europe, mura ang wine. Sa Pilipinas, ano ang mura? Jollibee. Taxi. If my auntie and my uncle would enjoy this, if they like it, we would share it to the entire neighborhood. And we'll be having an instant fiesta. It happens here regularly.
Fiesta.
They had a fiesta when I arrived, yeah.
And we will be having one more
When is that?
coming soon.
Coming soon. Yeah, that's why. Honestly, I love it here. Kasi ang mura ang pagkain here in the US. But you need a car. Kung wala kang kotse dito, mababaguan ka sa iyong bahay. Okay, we have the strips now, or trozos ng queso. And I think this is more than enough for 3. Let's start wrapping. If you know how to make lumpia, hindi ganun ang pronunciation ng lumpia. If you know how to make lumpia, you know how to make this as well. You just have to source mozzarella cheese. Kung wala kayong mozzarella, by the way, you can also use the Edam cheese or Eden cheese, which is widely available in the Philippines. One time nataob ito dyan sa tubig.
Oh my God.
Buti na lang waterproof. Kaya Samsung earned my respect.
That's good.
I'm just telling the story here to my auntie that one time this camera fell into the sink, and may tubig yung sink. If you're curious kung anong camera ito, just ask it in the description box below. I don't have my cameraman with me today, that's why I'm filming. I'm filming with my cell phone. Our Belgian Yaya is not with us today, so. And you will see soon your Ate Grace, my Manang Grace. Yeah. So I think this is more than enough for the three of us. It is the intention to enjoy this with wine. I might as well start it. Start enjoying wine while preparing our appetite.
Yep.
Cooking can be entertaining, and it's even more entertaining if you enjoy wine while cooking. It inspires. Okay, sa mga maaarte dyan, especially sa Europe, nang daming mga kaartihan sa wine, okay? Kailangan mo daw na i-chamber muna yung wine or let the wine get acclimatized to the room temperature. Kaya, after opening, huwag mo nang inumin. Let it acclimatize. And then, give your mouth now the second chance in appreciating the wine. But so you have to prepare your mouth, especially your tongue, to enjoying the wine. So ang unang gagawin, swirl your wine daw kunwari to have it absorb as much oxygen as possible, because oxygen enhances the flavor. Tingnan yung mga tea, zzz, ang taas-taas. Even the coffee, the pouring allows maximum exposure to the oxygen. The same, swirl mo, swirl. That explains why ganito ang shape ng wine. Nagiging wine tasting lesson na to. That explains why this is the wine glasses are shaped like this to allow swirling. And then, prepare your mouth, your tongue. Have the wine swirl around your tongue then, because the different parts of the tongue have dedicated organs or part for different flavors. So allow the tongue to taste all the flavors of the wine by swirling it. And then that was the first. Then na-prepare na siya. Then do the second. Yeah. And I forgot to offer sa kasasalita ko nito, I forgot to offer wine to my auntie here. Auntie, ito oh.
Thank you.
That was my auntie. Camera is shy. Let's start wrapping. So ano ang drink ni Uncle?
Just water.
Just
or
water.
Soda.
Water. Incidentally, I need water to paste the sheet here. Yeah, I should have prepared. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and share it to the world. Ibida natin ang pagkain natin sa buong mundo. Help your kuya and uncle here. The unofficial Filipino food ambassador to the world. Share it, our food, to the world. Kaya share na din. Wrapping so we can fry now. We have a big stove here. Let's just wait until it's adequately hot. I forgot to turn the exhaust fan. Lagot. But it is our mozzarella stick. It's not perfect. Pumutok ko, but should be tasty. At ito ang pulutan today. Mozzarella sticks or mozzarella lumpia wrap mozzarella or taquitos de queso. Best enjoyed with red wine. Thank you for joining your kuya today as he shares international cuisine to the Pinoy household dito sa Florida in the big US of A. At tikim natin sa kapitbahay. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Ipakita natin ang lasa ng mundo sa buong mundo. Mag-umpisa sa Pilipinas, of course. We want to expose our Pinoy palate to these international flavors. Hanggang sa muli. Until next time, here on Channel 1. And if you prefer travels, don't forget to watch our other channel. It's Mi Barrio, Mi Mundo. More uploads.